Hi everyone. So we will be talking about the 26th March second shift in this video, the exam analysis. And there is one very big change in this shift which I wanted to discuss about. So let's start this video. Make sure to like this video. And if you have your exam on on 1st of April or 3rd of April, you can purchase the mock test series. The link will be in the description. There will be a lot of live tests which you can use for your practice. So starting with the today's exam analysis. See here. See, I wanted to talk about this shift because there are some changes in this shift. Okay, first of all, 26 March shift to numerical 8 to 9, verbal 14 to 15, reasoning 16, advanced 8, coding 1, 5 to 7, 5 of 7 test cases, coding 2, 6 of 7 test cases. There were two theta based question in every section. Okay, coding question one, given n equals to 4 arrays like this, these are the price of the ticket in the movie theater. We had to find out all odd prices and then output. Okay, sum of odd prices, count of odd prices, and average of odd prices. Example output like this. Okay, so this was the first coding question. Second coding question, input is given here. Okay, like bread cost, filling cost, and target. Bread cost array is the cost of bread of different types. Filling cost array is the cost of different types of fillings. We have to make a sandwich with cost closest to target. Okay, and constants, we can use only one type of bread. Okay, second, you can use any number of fillings. Okay, so I wanted to talk about this shift first, about the foundation section. See, all of you guys know about this, that we should clear the foundation section. Okay, and after clearing the foundation section only, your advanced section will be judged. Okay, this is the important thing. Main important thing is in this particular shift, the change which I wanted to discuss about. Maybe, see, as a teacher, as a YouTuber, okay, my work is to tell you the actual truth. Okay, actual truth. I'm not here to please you. So if you like it or not like it, I'll say it. Okay, for this shift, the cutoff will be high. Okay, the cutoff will be high. The only reason is the question which you have faced today in this shift was easier than the 20th March shift and 21st March of shift. Okay, that's why the cutoff will be little bit high in this shift. Okay, now you guys don't know what kind of question actually 20th and 21st March candidate faced, but today in this shift the questions were easy compared to the other shifts. Okay, so that's why for numerical the cutoff will be 7 to 8 marks. Okay, can be there. So the numeric cutoff will be increased. For some shift, I have mentioned the cutoff will be around 6 marks. For some shift, I have mentioned like 6 to 7 marks. In today's morning shift, I have mentioned 6 to 7 marks. But if you have done 6 marks in numerical in this shift, okay, then this is not secure. Okay, this is not secure. Again, I'm saying that there is a possibility that you can clear the numeric in 6 marks, but 7 to 8 will be a secure score for this shift. Because this shift was little easier than the previous shift, the cutoff will be definitely going to increase in numeric. For reasoning, again, it is almost same. Okay, and the reasoning again will be 12 plus, or 12 to 13 plus will be a good score, or 12, you can say it, around 12 questions will be a very good score in reasoning. Okay, very good score in reasoning, to be precisely secured, a secured score you can say. Like if you have even done 11 12 questions now, okay, that's a very good score. For verbal, okay, again, if you have done 12 plus question, that will be a secured score in this. Okay, only the cutoff for numerical will be little bit high. For the reasoning, it can be little bit high. Okay, and because this was the easiest shift among all. Okay, and this is the little bit change. Talking about the coding question, okay, what the feedback which I got from the candidate in the first coding question. Again, some candidates face some compiler issue. Okay, for this one, sorry, this one. Okay, so see, if you have faced some compiler issue in this one, I don't know about it. I need to just talk about the candidates. But see, what I can say is combining the first coding question and second coding question, again, both questions were doable. The first question was easy, second question was little medium hard. Okay, so see, combining both, I would say if you have done like I am talking about the private test cases. Okay, private test cases. If you have passed around 4 to 5 test cases, okay, private I am talking about, yes, there are chances of getting the digital. But for this shift, if you want to get prime, okay, uh, the cutoff of the prime can be little bit high, like it can be around 7 plus 7 or 8 test cases should be there for prime. Okay, this will be my prediction for this shift, because compared to other shifts, the questions were easy in the foundation, and coding question also I got a positive feedback from most of the students. So that will be my prediction. Thank you so much for watching. You can tell me in the comment section how many test cases you passed, and you can discuss among each other. Thank you so much.